The Tatra truck factory produced a Phoenix 6x6 truck with a house inside for a young couple who decided to travel around the world, and tested it on the factory test site and delivered it to the young family. Since this truck has a rigid frame and in addition a traction tube, which plays an important structural role, the structural rigidity of the truck is much higher, so that the rear cover can be fixed directly to the rigid frame without any need. In addition, a 449 HP Paccar engine and ZF transmission were chosen for the truck, which opens up the horizons of spare parts and maintenance availability worldwide, as Paccar owns the worldwide brands DF, Kenworth and Peterbilt. The truck model that Tatra produced for the young adventurous family is a Phoenix 6x6 traction with lockable differentials, articulated suspension and of course a traction tube. The house on its boards is a 2-story, 5.5-meter high house that offers the comfort of a compact villa and can be increased up to 1 floor. The advantage of this villa mounted on a Tatra truck is that every morning you can see a different view from the window, including those captured from the most remote places. Equipped with a very modern interior. Watch our video.